Welcome, today I'm with Huawei Mate 10 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first of all, you should go to the Play Store, and now here on the search pool just tap the Ampere. So now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while the application installing. So now just tap to open, click yes I agree, be close. And here on the left down corner just tap to OK, and as can you see right now, you can check the battery or temperature of your phone. That's 32 at the moment. Also you can check the Android version, the model of your phone, the health of your battery and more information. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.